When we think of rain, we often picture the classic teardrop shape, but in reality, raindrops don't look like that at all. Small drops are almost perfectly spherical, while larger ones take on a shape more like a flattened dome, similar to a hamburger bun. This happens because as they fall, the air resistance pushes against them from below, flattening their bottom. And rain isn't always silent or the same everywhere. The sound it makes depends on the ground surface, vegetation, and even the temperature. It's a kind of natural melody that changes from place to place. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and watch other curiosity videos. Thanks.